Dearly beloved, we are gathered in this beautiful setting here in Middleburg, Virginia, in the presence of God and of these witnesses to join this man and this woman in holy matrimony.
Right here on this ground.
William and Jacklyn, this is your day, and we are honored that we can share this day with you.
Against the sky, so clear, it's better than we planned it. This rising sun was
Oh my God. Hi. You're so beautiful.
see it now. The story comes together. Beauty lives in every chapter. We feel it now. Nothing could be better.
Here Paul speaks of things men do, like prophecy or speak in tongues to impress God. He talks about faith. Jesus said that you could move mountain, but without love means nothing.
I, William Wayne Montgomery, take you, Jacklyn Nicole Humphreys, to be my wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness or in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part.
I, Jacklyn Nicole Humphreys, take you, William Wayne Montgomery, to be my wedded husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poor, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part.
With the power vested in me by our Lord Jesus Christ, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
We are the dreamers. We dance through the night in our bones, we can feel it. Aiming for the stars against the sky when we are together.